Rylo is the newest thrill ride at Aquatica Orlando. It opened in May 2018 and it replaces the Hooroo Run water slide. To get to the actual slide, you will have to spend from 5 to 15 minutes, sometimes even more, in the line. You will also have to climb about 60 feet, about 18 meters of stairs. You need at least 2 people to ride Rylo and a maximum of 4. In total, the weight of the party cannot exceed 700 pounds, about 213 kilograms. Once you start, you get launched into a tube and then down a short drop into the giant Aqua Sphere. From there, you get pushed into the most thrilling part of the slide, the half pipe that is designed to look like a manta ray wings. This is where our youngest gets really scared with the perceived proximity to the edge of the slide. After this mini adventure, you get back into a tube for a straight run into the splashdown. We rate this ride as a 5 out of 5. It's a family favorite for us whenever we go to Aquatica. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe and like our video if you find it useful. Thank you guys.